In this video, I will show you how to create a quiz using Microsoft Form. Open MS Team, click on Assignment, click on your class, click Next. Then on the top right corner, click plus icon, then click New Quiz. Here, click on plus new form icon. Make sure that your internet connection is switched on. Then the page will open in front of you. Out of these forms, click new quiz option. Then change the title suitably as per the requirements. You can add picture to the background by clicking the picture icon just beside the title. Then add descriptions if required. Then add new. Here you will have four options: dot, ABC, thumbs up and tick options. If you want to give options, MCQ type questions, click on dot icon. Here in the questions you type questions, then add options. If you require more than two options, you click on add options. In this way you can click on adding options. Now out of these options you write the alternatives or the choices according to the questions. You give your options. Then after this you have to point. If you are planning to auto grade your quiz, then put here the points. If the question carries 1 marks, then put on 1. If it is of 2 marks, put 2 over here. Then click on the required icon, means this question is required to be answered. At this moment you can auto grade your questions. How? Suppose out of these four options your answer is B is correct, then click beside B. At this stage you can write something in this box by clicking this chat option, this option. If you click on this, this is for when a student click on correct option, then this correct answer, this phrase will be displayed there, so that students will be able to understand their answer is correct. Now click on this tick icon once again. Once the square box is there, you make sure that your answer is auto graded. Okay, now you can go to next question in the same way by clicking the dot. And in this way you can keep on making your questions, as many questions as you want. Okay, now once you put points, automatically by default the next question will be auto graded to point 1. You can manually change it as well. Now for time setting, in the right hand corner go to dot, click on settings. Here you have lot of options. Only people in my organization can respond. Make sure this option is chosen. Record name and record 1% response per person. This will stop the students to submit their response more than once. And in the next options, accept responses. Now you can set time, start date. Click on start date, today's date. Then you set your time according to your time frame. Like I am setting a time 6 p.m. and I want the question to be continued for next 1 hour. So complete the time with the end date icon, make it for 8. So 6 to 8 p.m. it will be valid. After that this form will not be able to receive response. Make sure you can shuffle your question. If you want to shuffle your questions, you shuffle your questions like this. If you don't want to shuffle your questions, just do not click over here. If you want to customize thank you message, do customize and write whatever the thank you message will be here. You can write over here. After this, you click on this send email recipient to respondent. So once they submit the response, they will be able to see their response in the email as well. Once it is done, your quiz is ready. Now click on the share option. If you click on share option, you will be provided a link. There are 4 ways of sharing your link. You can copy your link and post wherever you want to. In the second option, you have this recipient can scan the code on a phone or a tablet to access the form. In the third one, you can copy this code and paste it in a web page as well. And in the fourth one, you can send this link to email as well. I suggest you to choose the first one. Simply copy the link. The link is ready for you to paste, and then you can paste it in wherever you want to paste. Like I am pasting my personal number so that I can send it later to anybody from my account. The link is ready. Here it is.